Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Muhammad Ammar Ahmed and I am by profession a copywriter as you might have seen from my profile and I am a part-time student as well as you guys have managed to see my I'm 19 years old and this age regarded me to to be embarking on a journey to seek for self-improvement, self-empowerment and the urge to get towards financial freedom. So, I would like to encourage you all to accompany me on this journey and let's explore these endeavors together. So, uh, without further ado, I would like to tell you guys that being a copywriter is not something very dynamic or complicated. So, when you hear what a copywriter, so what comes into your mind? The first thing is that, hey, what is a copywriter? Like, you write copy, you copy things. Obviously, that comes to your mind. So, in reality, copywriting is a tool used in marketing and sales for advertising. So, these are three different terms I used over here: marketing, sales, and advertising. Copywriting. So, as you might have noticed, copywriting. Copy is the form of like it's an interaction between the customer and the person producing the client, for example, right? Because that copy, which is written by a copywriter, is usually used to persuade the customer to buy the product. Now you get the marketing as the person who writes copy tries to encourage and shape the entire form of writing like it's a story, it's a journey, it's a one-way trip where there's no going back for the reader or the customer, as now he will end up paying for the product, which benefits the reader, which benefits the client, and which benefits me, the copywriter, obviously, right? So this proves that copywriting is a subfield, or you can say, all right, just crush out all the controversy with subfield. I'll just say that it's a very essential part of marketing and advertising, as I mentioned earlier, because without this, the person selling a new product, for example, a chef, a chef is selling his cookbook, right? He needs marketing. He needs people who buy, and to buy you mean customers, right? And for customers, we need people to be able to be approached for that product, right? And copywriters do exactly that by not only approaching them individually sometimes, but like making them read, making them go through, making them utilize and consume some content where they believe on the fact that this cookbook will change my life. And that is what a copywriter does.